And as long as Bitcoin doesn't break above $100,000, there's a high chance that Bitcoin will just fall a lot lower, and most of you are not ready for it.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, everybody!
What's up, guys? Amar here. Merry fucking Christmas to everybody. I wish nothing but the best for everybody. The best health, the best wealth, the best shape, the best mental health, the best for your family, the best for everybody that you love and like. I hope that nothing but the best happens to you. Now, guys, I'm almost at 600 subscribers, so do me a Christmas present if you aren't subscribed, because most people that watch my videos, surprisingly, aren't subscribed. Surprisingly. So please do make Christmas present and push me to 600 subscribers. I would highly appreciate that. Because again, all the content that I make, it just comes straight from a freestyle. I do not really edit, although now I'm trying to do a little bit, but I just try to spit out free content for you guys. Free useful content which most people will not provide. Now let's just start with it, because I think that price will go lower, guys. Not gonna lie. And I will tell you why. Let's go back in the past, because I have a few things to say. Now, if we look at Bitcoin, and if we more closely look at the first correction after its all-time high, these are just small consolidations, nothing special. These are corrections. Now, what happened here is this. We had price going up like we had right now. And then we had a crash like we had right now. And what we are doing right now is seeing upside momentum just like what we had here. But what did price do right here? It formed a lower high, pushed a little bit lower, and then continued a bull run. Now, you might think, okay, so what? Let's go back more in time. And let's go back exactly towards here. I already analyzed this prior, obviously. But this is the first correction after Bitcoin broke its all-time high here. So the same actually happened here, guys. So pay attention. As always, do not have the attention span of a 6-year-old. I try to scream a little bit less in my videos, guys. I try to, but sometimes I just want to. Sometimes I just don't want to. It really fucking depends. Now, again, the same momentum like we had in our current momentum. Crash to the downside. Upside momentum like we have right now, forming a lower high, and price continued lower before continuing a bull run. And basically, if we are looking at where we are right now, we can roughly say that the same might be happening. So we had a lot of upside momentum here. We have a crash. We are now making a correction. And as long as Bitcoin doesn't break above 100,000, 101,000, turn this zone into clear support, not like a little bit of consolidation and a fake out, because that could happen as well. Is we hold a little bit of support, people are like, oh fuck, we are back. Then a fake out happens, we are pushed lower. But overall, what I do expect is that, god damn it, is that we reject this zone right here of around 100k, which we are doing currently right now. And as long as we reject this zone, there's a high chance that we fall a leg lower. If we then pull our FIP levels from here to here, we can target around 83,000. And again, my main targets are around $80,000 to $78,000. Why? Because of the CME futures gap. I already explained this prior in my former video, as well here in my YouTube short, by the way, here as you can see, and as well in this video, and in this video, and in this video, and this video, and in this video. I explained it all in all my videos actually, but somehow I have to repeat myself for you guys, because a lot of you forget very fast for some reason. So tip is to journal it down. If you have the attention span of a 6-year-old who's clearly retarded, then I advise you to journal down. It's a big help. I sometimes do it myself. If I have a lot of things on my mind of the market, I just write things down and I do not forget it. It just printed in my mind. So make sure to remember that. Now, this history is an important thing, guys. You have to pay attention to history. Why? Because history often repeats itself. Not exactly, but often indicates what will happen in the future. So, same like here, this momentum and this momentum, even though so different, it's the same. Boom, boom, lower high, boom, skyrocket. Same here. Boom, 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 lower high, drop, bottom, skyrocket. And I think personally that the same might be happening right now. Is that we see some lower momentum incoming, retest lower, have an extreme amount of fear, and then boom, we skyrocket higher towards the $120,000, $130,000 level. We maybe then see another correction, and then we'll see from there on. We'll see. It doesn't matter for now. We are where we are right now. And again, this gives, first of all, a big amount of fear in the market because a lot of people will panic sell. People will be genuinely thinking like, okay, shit, the bear market is over. Because a lot of people are already now like, okay, it's time to go up again, blah, 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 blah. The fear is not that big yet as well. The fear and greed index is around a 73%, I would say. Actually, let's just quickly take a look as I have it open right here. Fuck those ads. I should get paid for them. I should really get paid for them, even though not even 1,000 people see this fucking video. Just give me some money. Now, anyway, fear and greed index, as we can see here, is still at 73%. So we are still in greed, guys, which in my opinion is not good. And I think we do need more fear in the market. At least going towards a 60-65% or a little bit more into the neutral / fearful phase. That would be, in my opinion, very healthy for the market. So again, as long as we do not break above 100K, we are just going lower. It's as simple as that. Obviously, first confirmation is a loss of support here at $91,000, $92,000. If you lose support here, obviously, guys, we will fall lower. It's as simple as that. Now, another interesting thing that you have to know is, as we are in the Christmas spirit, is how Christmas reacts in historical behavior. And it's actually very interesting. So let's just immediately get into it because I already saved you guys a lot of time by drawing these lines up front. Because it's, even though it only takes a minute or two, it's just annoying to watch it probably. Now, what we can see here with Christmas is that we had a bearish period. Bear market happened, then Christmas happened. And we could consider this to be red as well for bears, obviously if you didn't realize it yet, or green for bulls. We could place this red or green, it doesn't really matter. Now for the purpose of this video, let's just do it in green because the market eventually from here just went to the upside. So Christmas here, from there on we went bullish. Second Christmas happened, and what happened is, obviously, yeah, a little correction doesn't matter. In the overall perspective, price went a lot higher. Now we had the Christmas again. What happened? Price skyrocketed. And we had a bear market again, which, again, coincidentally was in the winter, which is my target for this bull run as well, the winter of 2025. Christmas happened here, and we had a massive bear market. Then Christmas happened again. Upside momentum in the no man's land. Don't forget, purple, in my opinion, is no man's land / accumulation zone. Then we had this second Christmas, and what happened is, again, green momentum. This bull market Christmas, to call it, bullish momentum, aka double top, and a bear market started. Then again, a bearish Christmas, bullish Christmas, bullish Christmas. And now, based on historical perspectives, guys, this is based on history. Based on all of this, we could assume that we are about to see a lot of bullish momentum again after this current Christmas. However, that doesn't mean, again, like I said before, that doesn't mean that we are immediately going up from here. That doesn't mean that at all. But it does mean that the overall direction for Bitcoin, despite perhaps seeing $78,000 to $80,000 again because of the CME futures gap, besides seeing that, we are still bound to go up. So the bull market is still in full play, in my opinion. But you have to know that these corrections are healthy for the market. They really, really are healthy for the market. And see it like this. We do not want the bull market to be done within a month from now. We want it to be done, let's say, in 6 months from now, 4 or 5 months, 8 months from now for altcoins. For Bitcoin next year, as that's my target again. History. Based on history, guys. This is all based on history, so do not take it like official information, but this is how I base my investment. And so far it worked perfectly because I bought the bottom, sold the tops here. So for me it worked so far. But as we can see, here the top was in the winter of 2017, winter of 2021, here the winter of 2013. So based on history, we should top out again in the winter of 2025. Historically seen, we might even do something like this. We might see, let's say, 130, 150,000, something like this, and we might just consolidate the whole time. We just might consolidate the whole time, which would be extremely bullish for altcoins, by the way. But it could just happen, guys. It could just happen that we just keep on consolidating. We don't know what the fuck will happen. We do know not at all. The only thing that we have to do is base, at least what I will do, not what you have to do. What you do is fully up to you. I'm just here explaining what I'm doing. But what I will do is just pay attention to how history is going and plan accordingly. I have a full plan that I already discussed with my private community. By the way, all these things obviously I discussed already in my private community as well. Here, this whole momentum fully explained. This as well how I see the this drop going. Sorry, something like this would be nice. 20th of December. So I'm prepared, guys. I'm prepared to have a full plan ready for this bull market, the same like I had for this bear market, and I fully perfectly executed my bear market plan. I'm in a good amount of profits. I can really not complain. Obviously it could be better, it can always be better, but believe me, it could be so much worse. And as for now, my plan worked out perfectly just by basing myself out of history. Now if you
history boring
want to know more about the history, guys, I highly advise you guys to watch all my videos right here. I have around 118 videos, but definitely in the last 4 months I've made a lot of videos which are basically a full explanation of how I see this bull market going and how my historical perspective is. I made a lot of videos about this. For example, here, not even this one, if I go exactly here, 2 years ago, only 650 views, but the people who watch this or the people who remember this video will see how accurate this video is until today. I will not say in price momentum. Yes, I expected here that we could potentially see Bitcoin back at 9 or 10K, but overall, this played out somewhat perfectly as if for now. And if you continue to look to my other videos, you will see that all these videos here and the historical talk that I do is very, very accurate. So make sure, if you want to learn something, to watch these videos, because you will probably not regret it. Again, I know I'm not the best YouTuber, blah blah blah, but at least I give what you guys need, because in my opinion, and as far as I know, there's no YouTuber out there. I'm not even a YouTuber. I'm just me. I'm just Amar. But so far, I don't know any YouTube channel out there that gives you all this detailed information about the past, about historical behavior, about his own game plan that he's following. I do not know a lot of channels that actually do that. Definitely not small channels. But yeah, here I am, putting my money where my mouth is. And so far, guys, it played out perfectly for me and my community. In my opinion, it played out perfectly. We bought the bottom for altcoins. We're still accumulating some of my altcoins that I'm a huge fan of. And we accumulated Bitcoin at the absolute fucking bottom, at $17,000 to be precise, like exactly $17,000. So that is just a massive, massive thing in my opinion. Now guys, that's it for this video. Enjoy your Christmas and have a good one.
Thank you for watching us.
If you're still watching.